for Ronald Reagan, Secretary of State for George Bush Sr., and Secretary of State for Bill Clinton. How would that make him politically scarred? It's the same position, advisor.
But look at the man, we bring out Jamaica, Anthony Anderson, the former commissioner of police. What do you say? He was political scar. He was an advisor to the prime minister. He did political scar?
He was politically scarred.
And what your opinion on it? What was your opinion on it?
He should not have got the commissioner of police. Me personally believe the commissioner of police supposed to come up through the ranks.
So, hold on, bro. I think your definition of politically scarred is absolutely flawed.
That's why I may ask him.
Hold on. I think when you tell me that someone is politically scarred, it means they were in some kind of embattlement.
Like Ruel Reid,
corruption,
Current Spencer.
No, when I mean politically scarred, I mean that the person is known.
It's your definition is flawed.
All right, I will explain myself what I mean by politically scarred. When I say politically scarred,
if you're scarred, it means you were compromised, right? Scar means you have a flaw.
Correct.
Timeless. I am a known laborite. Me. I am a known laborite. I don't think that I should get any position of authority which I am in charge of the integrity of any member of the political affair, being it PNP or JLP, because I might be biased towards the PNP and don't call out the Labour right.
All right, Cadet. Let me hear what you say now. You know why I think that is a problem? You see, the mindset there is a problem. Because you see, when any one political party wins an election and then forms the government, they are now governing the entirety of the country. And so that is why we need to put impeachment in there, and them need to give the Integrity Commission more teeth to lock up some man. You understand?
Right. So
because
I have a question.
Hold on. Because if you are gonna tell me, say, because me put on my green shirt and go election and jump up and down with the delegate them and the member of parliament them in a me green shirt. You tell me, say, if me and my qualification forget one work, me no forget the work.
Because you are political.
And one vote me have.
But Imbola, let me tell you, I don't know Mr. Stevens and I'm a member of PNP. I know most of the executive, I want to say my executive. I don't know Mr. Stevens, I don't know him. The man was an advisor to Peter Phillips in a capacity as an economist. So you have to say, if the political scar.
Exactly, Rohan. That means that Andrew Holney's wife no business. She sit down in a seat where she sit down.
Yeah, because
political scar then.
She bought the GLP, right? Because she's a MP.
Exactly. In can't be no speaker, no host there.
Well, I hear on a point.
No. We are not making a point. Is your definition of politically scarred is flawed.
But I stand by what I say.
No, bro. What you say on nonsense?
If you think a nonsense, then okay. But I stand by what
No. I don't think it's nonsense. It's nonsense.
Well, if it is nonsense.
So, let me ask you a question now. So, where do we get the IC people from?
Oh?
Where would we get the IC committee from?
Someone like the person who put on a white or one blue or one what kind of t-shirt walk in our polling station.
A semantics that no matter.
Where you never see shake
too emotional. That is so emotionally charged. It's ridiculous. Don't make a difference.
This is what you want to say, right?
It rather me know said that
Hold on there.
person
Hold on, brother,
about a
brother.
PNP
Just
and
calm.
me never see in shake a PNP hand yet.
Brother, just calm down. This is what you're saying. We should put members that have no understanding of the political process, no understanding of how politics work, no understanding of what it takes to uphold integrity, and we should just work with that.
No timeless. No
So where
timeless.
was
I am not saying
okay?
put a dunce there. I'm
No,
not
me
saying
never
put a
said
dunce.
dons. Me never said dons. At no point I said dons. But we are putting people who have no understanding of the political process. Because for you to go outside, this could not happen with nobody inside Jamaica. You would have to go outside of Jamaica, go assemble this IC. Because everybody have a vote. Everybody is gonna have a lean to a side, regardless how you want to put it. Just why in America or anywhere, a president, whenever a seat in the whenever there is a vacancy in the Justice Supreme Court, whenever there is a vacancy, that president try to do everything to place a judge there before they leave office. Simple mean,
Alright, me just get it.
hold on, bro. Simple mean them put somebody in there, not necessarily we're gonna rule in their favor, but somebody that they might think is in alignment with them, based on how them vote historically. And everybody in Jamaica who is in any office, them vote.
Well, timeless. This is what I have to say. I'm going to miss it for about 15, 20 minutes. This is what I have to say
Let me
before
ask
I
you one
leave.
something before. Let me ask you what I said.
No
Let me ask
man,
you what you
make him say it first.
Hold on, no.
Let me say you, make him say it first. Make him
The-
say what him say first,
The
brother.
Prime Minister has sought a judicial review over the Integrity Commission. Let us see what water that will hold. I
And you
still
don't.
personally believe that Mr. Stevens has worked in bias towards the Prime Minister because
I think the
all right,
Speaker of
hold
the
on.
House
I
is
asked,
working
hold
bias
on,
against
Oh,
the
hold on
Jamaican
there,
people.
I
hold
She
on
asked
there,
this
fi come
question
down.
the other day.
Cat it. Do you don't think the Supreme Court is biased too? Are they not
Who?
politically scarred? You don't think none of the justice and the Supreme Court is politically
Yes,
scarred? Okay,
yes, yes.